Yes, hello Frank, this is Ray. I wanted to make this short video for you to show you how to edit your new website. This is your website right here. This is the home page of your website. And basically your website is made up of pages. You have pages such as the frequently asked questions page. You have pages such as about Bubba's Jumpers. Um, and then you have the individual pages. If we go here to jumpers, you'll see that you have the jumpers page where you have all of your different jumpers available. For example, if we click on Justice League, you'll notice that you have all the information regarding the Justice League jumper, as you can see here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to edit the current pages that are already set up. You'll notice that I have text on the current pages of your website. The About Bubba's Jumpers page, I have just some dummy text that you'll want to go and replace with your own content. So I'm going to show you how to do that, because as you can see here, we have just dummy text here. And also, I want to show you how to add new jumper pages. So for example, let's say you buy a new jumper. I want to show you how to set up new pages to show your jumpers. So these are the pages that I'm talking about here. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Now you have access to your login, your back-end administrative area. Basically what you do is you just put in your password, your username and password. I won't repeat that here because you already have that in an email. You log into your back panel, and you'll notice that when you log in, to the left you have an area called All Pages, or excuse me, Pages. And to the right you have either All Pages to show all the pages you currently have on your website, or Add New in case you want to add a new page. Let's just go to All Pages for now. And let's say we want to edit the About Bubba's Jumpers page. What you want to do is simply find the page that you want to edit. We'll go to About Bubba's Jumpers. We'll click on Edit. And this is the page that we want to edit right now, because right now there's nothing but dummy content in this page. And you basically will, as soon as you click on Edit Page, you'll see that you have what's called a visual editor back here. And you can basically, just like typing up a letter in Word, you can begin to edit the content of this page, About Bubba's Jumpers. So for example, you can add your own text. You can make text underlined. If you go up here, you can see that you can italicize text. You can make text underlined. You can make text different colors. You'll want to make sure that you always have 3 rows of buttons here. If you only have 2, make sure you click right here and the third one will drop down. So basically you can add your own text, and as soon as you're done adding your own text, simply click Update. And once you click Update, you'll notice that the changes will take effect immediately. So if we go back here and hit refresh, you'll see that the changes that we just did have taken effect, as you see here. And that's pretty much how you edit all of the pages of your website, even the frequently asked questions page. Now let me show you how to create a new jumpers page. What I've done is, if we go here and we look at, for example, the Justice League page, you'll see that all of your jumper pages start off the same. We have either a picture or a 3D view of the jumper, and then we have the size right underneath it, the name of the jumper, and a brief description, along with the price and your PayPal button. Really very simple. So let me show you how to set up a new jumpers page. You go to all pages. Now let's say you want to edit a current page. If you want to edit a current page, you go to all pages and select the jumper that you want to edit. But what if you want to add a new jumper? What I suggest that you do, and what I set up is I set up a template for you. If you go here and you find this page right here, template for jumper page, I've set this up for you as an easy way for you to simply cut and paste a new jumper page onto your website. You'll want to click open on the edit, and what that'll do is that'll open up the template page for you, and you can see how the template page is set up. It makes it very easy for you to add a new jumper. You can see here that I have a dummy picture in a dummy size, and then the Justice League description. What you want to do is you want to click on HTML to show the code, and you want to simply copy everything in this window. You want to simply copy it and then go to add new, and you want to make sure you're in the HTML tab to paste, and you simply paste everything into the new jumper page. Now then you want to click on visual and go back in the visual tab, and then what you want to do is simply enter the name of your new jumper. We'll do name of the new jumper, and of course you'll want to replace this picture. What you can do is simply click on it, click the delete button, and then in its place you can go up here and insert a new picture. So for example, you can go here, we can go to, we'll pick any picture, so we'll click on the Disney princess just to use for this example. And you simply click, put it on center and click insert. And we've basically replaced the dummy picture with another jumper picture. And then you do the same with the size. You'll want to delete this dummy size picture I have here and replace it with the correct one for the new jumper that you're adding. You'll want to change this name to new jumper name. You'll want to change this description to match the description of the new jumper that you're adding. You'll want to change this price to whatever the new jumper price is. And then you'll want to go down here to HTML, and you'll want to delete the current PayPal button code and replace it with the new PayPal button code that you'll create in your PayPal account for the new jumper. And you'll have to follow PayPal's instructions on creating new buttons. It's in your PayPal account. And basically what you want to do is log into your PayPal account, go to create a new button, type in the information there as far as the price, and then the code that it gives you, you'll want to paste right here. And then once you're done, simply click publish. And once you click publish, you've basically created a new jumper. And really that's as simple as that. Creating new pages to your website and editing new pages to your website is as simple as just going here to pages, click either add new or all pages, and you'll be able to go back. Uh, just keep one thing in mind, Frank. Being able to edit the pages of your website and being able to add new pages to your website pretty much means that you can manage the content of your website, about 90% of it. The only thing that you cannot change is you cannot change the home page, because the home page is made of these images, and you cannot change what is on the sidebar area of your website. Sidebar area being, for example, this area here. But that's a very small portion of your website. Pretty much all of the pages of your website and anything in the left hand side you can edit very easily by simply finding the page here under all pages and then clicking on edit and editing the content. So just keep in mind, if a page is available here on the left side, simply log into your back panel, find the page under all pages and edit the page, and then follow the add new to add new pages. And it's really that simple. Now let me show you how to, what I'm going to show you now is how to go to your control panel and check your email. If you go to your control panel, Bubbas-Jumpers.com/Cpanel, you might see this page. It's okay for you to simply click here to continue, and you'll be taken to your control panel. What you want to do is put in your username, put in your password, and I won't repeat that here because I already emailed. And once you log in, you'll be taken to your control panel. And in this control panel are all your hosting features. I've arranged to give you 1 year of free hosting. I'm not going to go through everything here in your hosting panel. There's simply too much here for me to go through. What I suggest is you go here to video tutorials, and anything that you have questions about, if you have any questions about how to set up email accounts and things of that nature, simply go to these video tutorials and you can watch videos on all of these different features. I've already set up one email account for you, and that's info@bubbasjumpers.com. You can check the webmail by going to Access Webmail. And your password, I've emailed that to you as well. And you can simply put that in, and that will allow you to access the webmail. Now when you see this webmail option, this is where you can change your password from the one that I've provided to something that you know, that only you have, and then you can select from one of 3 email clients. I personally like Horde. It's a very good online email application. It's just like Gmail, where you can check and receive email online through your business email account, which is info@bubbasjumpers.com. I've also set up forwarding so that this email forwards to your Gmail, and you can manage that here. So if, for example, you can see any email that's sent here will forward to your Gmail, so you know that you're receiving email. You don't have to check this email account separately. If you want to use Outlook, you can simply click Configure Email Client and enter these settings for Outlook. Again, I suggest that if you have any questions regarding your control panel, you simply go here to video tutorials and you'll be able to watch videos on all these terrific features of your hosting. Again, you have 1 year free. You have a lot of different features here, such as traffic analyzers to see how much traffic you're getting to your website. You can set up autoresponders. You can set up additional email accounts. A lot of neat features. And again, you have 1 year free, and you can go here to video tutorials to learn more about all the hosting features. This concludes this video. Thank you so much, Frank, for the opportunity to create the website for you.